In this video, we'll talk about the visa that is available for housekeepers, construction workers, landscapers to come in the United States and work here on a seasonal basis. Most people don't realize that housekeepers, landscapers, construction workers, and other seasonal type of labor can come to the United States and work here for a limited period for a season. This visa is called the H2B. The H2B visa is a very, in my mind, is kind of an unknown visa to most because, first of all, it's quite difficult to get it. And there is a quota, limited quota of 66,000 visas per year divided into 2 seasons. Each season has 33,000 visas available. Now, what is this H2B visa all about? The H2B visa was created to allow unskilled workers or certain workers that are specifically coming here for seasonal or one-time occurrence type of work. For example, if you are a software engineer, or if you're a lawyer or an architect, or a job that requires a bachelor degree, most of these people come here and work on the H1B visa, which is designed just for that. But what if you don't have this education and you have an employer that needs people for a resort, fill their housekeeper needs, or if you're a landscaping company and you have a shortage of people to help you, or if you're a construction company and you need more laborers for 6 months, 10 months, then H2B is the perfect visa for that. And the reason is because the employer will have to, first of all, demonstrate to the government that there is actually a shortage, a seasonal need. The way we do it is by filing a particular application with the Labor Department, demonstrating that they try to hire people, they couldn't find them, and therefore they need those particular people for this particular season. For example, we've done a lot of H2B visas for construction companies and housekeeping jobs where we define the need for the hotel, for the resort, for the construction company, that they have a shortage between, let's say, March and September. And during this time, we show how many people they're usually hiring, how many people are off-season, what is the need for the job. All these things we demonstrated in the package. We send it to the Labor Department. We're getting the particular wage for those people. And the nice thing about the H2B is you can group number of employees in one petition. If you need 20 or 30 of them, you can file all of them at the same time. Once you demonstrate that shortage, then you get a labor certification for that particular position, and then you can go ahead and file the H2B petition with the USCIS. Once the petition is approved, then the workers will go ahead and get their visas in the home country. Now, depending on where they're from, if you file an H2B application for different countries, those employees will go to the different consulates in the different countries. Now, it is important to understand that you can file for a season that starts in April and a season that starts in October. And therefore, you have to plan your recruitment and the immigration filing in advance. But if you do it correctly, you should be able to get your labor certification done on time and then file those H2B visas in a blanket, multiple employees in one petition, to get them on time for April or October. Now, recently, the Trump administration announced that they'll be adding more visas, more than the 66,000 available normally, to increase the pool of visas available because they know that there's enough shortage and they want to help those employers. So we welcome this initiative and let's see when and if this is going to become a reality. But once again, H2B is an amazing visa for seasonal workers. And if you have any specific questions about this visa, post them in the comments below and let me know what you think of this video. Make sure you share it with your friends, and we'll see you in our next video.